Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching me from. Guys, if today is the first time of accessing my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to like and to comment below. Thank you very much. I want to say a big thank you to my host subscribers, my new subscribers. Thank you guys for making my channel to grow, and a big shout out to all my membership out there. Thank you very much all for joining my membership. I love you all. Guys, my topic for today is choose to be happy. Yes, choose to be happy. It's very, very important. When you are happy, many things will be growing, many things will be working fine. But if, for example, you dey always dey squeeze your face, you know, you no dey happy from Monday till Saturday, always dey squeeze your face. As a woman, e no good for woman to always dey squeeze her face all the time. From Monday till Saturday, you no go see smile for her face, you no go see laugh, nothing. She go just dey squeeze her face. E no good for woman. You no be man, you be woman. Choose to be happy. Or you don't know say e get time wey be say you go dey, every time you dey squeeze your face, you no know say wrinkle go come dey come out for your face. Yes, e get certain time wey you go reach, maybe you still dey young o, you never old, but just because every time your face go dey no even laugh, no even this thing for your face, you go see am, you go come dey old pass your age. You go come dey see say wrinkle go start to dey comot for your face gradually. Na im make you go see say some people, you say this person na so yes, this person dey but this person come old pass her age. Because why? She no dey happy. You understand? You go see say their face go dey strong like iron, but when they go talk their age, you yourself, you dey surprise now, why this person come hold like this now? Because why? They no dey smile. Sometimes when you wake up in the morning, still praise yourself, still give yourself happiness, still smile, find something wey go dey make you laugh. Choose to be happy. No be every time your face go squeeze like say tomorrow no dey. When you wake up in the morning, still praise yourself, stand for mirror, even though say you no fine, still stand for mirror, tell yourself, I fine o, I still try, God still create me well, God still make me dey okay, God still give yourself better praise when you wake up in the morning, because e no easy. Na God create you. You wake up in the morning, you say, oh, I thank you, oh Lord, I thank you, oh, say you even create me this way, oh. E no easy, oh, to be a mother of 3, to be a mother of 2, to be a mother of 1, to become somebody's wife. All those kind of praises, you dey praise yourself. If you dey praise yourself like that, you dey put smile for your face. Sometimes you just see, even though say you no get anything wey you dey do, you fit open, if you no dey take alcohol, like for example you no dey take, you fit open mineral drink, anything, fruit wine, they dey see all those fruit juice, all those things, you open now, you just see dey happy, just see dey smile. You go see that week when you do am, you go see all your body. Then make you take a look at the difference between when you go squeeze your face and when you go dey happy. You go see say difference really dey. You understand? Okay, now you just carry vaccination follow yourself. You go say, this person offend me, na make I just dey squeeze my face. The person wey offend you, maybe the person dey one place dey enjoy, maybe the person dey for so place like this. If na woman offend you, the woman just dey for one side, maybe the woman no even know say e offend you. You understand? You go just carry that BP, that vaccination put for your mind. They carry am unnecessarily because say maybe that person no know say he or she offend you. And that person now, when you say you offend you, now they one place they enjoy. You wey you say you offend you, they kill yourself. If somebody offend you, kindly go to that person, tell the person, say, oh, wetin you do, I no like am, you really offend me badly, so that you let that thing go. Let it go. Comot am for your mind. No ever put say because say somebody offend you or because of that one come feel unhappy. Keep yourself, even though say the person still know say he offend you, keep on happy. Put that smile for your face. Let that person know say you no care about wetin that person even think about you. You understand? Prove that person wrong. Prove that person wrong. Not ever make that person come dey laugh you at the end say, hey, see this one, you know. Why some day they don't know say they offend you, you will be say you know say this person offend you, instead of you to go tell this person say, oh, you offend me, oh, see, oh, you understand, so that you yourself you go move on with your life. But no, you go carry that person for mind, just dey disturb yourself unnecessarily, because that person now don't know say you offend you, just dey one side dey enjoy. Or you dey with him family, they enjoy, they go outing, they go party, they go different places. You understand? You dey for house here, or you go there for one place, you go say, hey, wetin this person do me, wetin this person do me, if I tell you say not pay me, you just dey carry that BP. Before you know, wrinkle go quick enter your face. But if you show say I no care, I no wan know, you dey make yourself happy, you give yourself that joy, you go see say even that person sef, if you know say you offend you, the person mind go dey judge am, on the person own mind go dey judge am, dey go say, oh, I offend this person, but this person no even feel like say I offend am. See as she just dey smile, or see as he just dey smile. No be like men, some men wey be say their face all the time go just squeeze like mocha. You understand? Choose to be happy. Choose to be happy. Praise yourself. It's not easy. You stand for mirror, tell yourself, it's not easy for me to be a mother of 3, a mother of 2, a mother of 4, a mother of, call your name in the morning, stand for mirror. God, thank you for creating me. Lord, I thank you for creating me, because it's not easy. You understand? If anybody say go sit down, you not fine, you not do this one, yes, many of us we dey yab ourselves like that. You say, yeah, leave am. Now God create me like that, leave am. Monkey not fine, mama like am. Yes, so that's the truth. Try to praise yourself sometime. And I want to use this opportunity to talk to us. We get series seasons for our children life. When they talk say our children go do this one, when they command them. Now this time you need to command them. If you say, hey, Joseph or Johan, sit down here, come here, go here, no do this one, they go respect you, because now your season, now your time. You understand? Now your season, so use that time, use that season. You understand? But when they don't pass the age of maybe between 20, the age of 20, 19, you feel still get little control over them. You feel still get little control, like the way person they control in pikin. You understand? So that time, then be the second season. The second season now, if they don't reach the age of 20, age of 21, up to 25, you don't get control over them again. The only thing when you're there, maybe they won't come out before when they tell you, they will just call you for phone. Oh, mommy, I am going to so place, all those kind of things. You yourself, you go dey surprise. No be me and this pikin dey for her just now. Wey not even tell me before I come out. That is their own time. Now they don't use their own time. You understand? They don't use their own time. You see, when they come reach at the age of when they don't marry, when they don't dey husband house, especially if you get baby boy, you understand? And the baby boy don't marry, the wife, pray make you not get bad daughter-in-law. If you get son, always pray. Not let your daughter-in-law come be the person wey go be obstacle for you and your children. Maybe you just go, You say I want to go greet my baby boy or my son for house. You reach there, and maybe the pikin don't tell him, he don't tell him why. Say, as my mom they come, my mom na lioness. So you understand? The wife go they prepare, they wait. He go they wait. He go say, you want to see this lioness? You understand? And you don't hold. You don't get what you want to do again. You understand? Maybe you say, my wife, I want eat pounded yam. Mama, I no fit do pounded yam. Eat eba. If you not eat eba, rest. So because na only eba we get. You not get what you want. You not get choice. You go say, okay, now bring and make I eat am. Old age now, because of now old age. You understand? Or maybe you dey watch television now. Your daughter-in-law just come. He just collect the remote from you, change the channel. You don't get what you want to do. My daughter be the word this thing. Mama, you don't hold. Mama, you don't need all this kind of thing. You understand? All this junk, you don't get what you want to do. So now make am, we go pray for our children. We go pray, say, we will not get bad children. There is no bad daughter, there is no bad son. We go pray for our children. Say, in anywhere where we say they won't go, make there not be any bad children to you. In the future, make them for take care of you well. You understand? And okay, for example, now you don't use them to that extent. Maybe you call them at the season 1 where you get your own, that your time now where you get. You don't slap you say, Johan, come here. You slap her for head. Sit down here, you go sit down. Yes, ma. Sit down there, you go sit down. Yes, ma. You know, go bring this one for me. Yes, ma. Go do the other one for me. Yes, ma. When you don't pass season 2, you not get control again over them. So now we need to pray. Say, God, make me the mother of a good children. Make my children favor. That is, make I eat the fruit of my labor. Make I not labor in vain. Now be the only thing. Now make sometime I always talk this thing. It depends on how you take care of your children, how you put them through, what you tell them. You understand? Because children nowadays, most of them they calculate many things. How you train them when they small pikin. Like I always talk and sometimes like how my mom train me. I know that I no go forget them, and I use sometimes they tell my daughter the story. You understand? But that will not say make I become bad mother to my bad pikin to my mother. No. You understand? So now pikin wey no value of mama, na I go take care of him mama very well. No matter wetin mama do, he go know say him mama dey for a reason. You understand? So now be the prayer wey we need to pray. And for those wey dey talk say, oh, I no wan marry man wey im mama still dey alive. Remember, you sef go still be mother tomorrow. If you marry, you can't born baby boy. Now so your daughter-in-law go see say, oh, I no wan marry man wey be say im mama still dey alive. You dey wish your mother-in-law dead. E no good. If you dey talk those things, stop am. No dey talk am again, because your mother-in-law no cost anything for you. When you are married, you are married. If your mother-in-law dey stress you, dey disturb you, still continue your best. You understand? So now wetin me I get to talk to us about, just keep yourself happy, be happy. That is just the most important thing. Make we not dey frown our face all the time. Later our face go get wrinkle. You understand? We come turn to old age of where you be say you still dey young. Your age where be say you still dey young, go come you come old past your age. Thank you very much, everyone. I just want to advise us for this topic, you understand, for this particular one. Thank you very much. See you next on my next video. Bye. That floats around me, keeping me safe.